hello and welcome. You're coming to us for another episode of the Hyperframe podcast. We're at the noisy environment that is KubeCon in Atlanta, and I'm joined by Sabari from AWS. Hey, Sabari.
Hey, hi.
So tell us a little bit about what you do for AWS. Huge, obvious cloud provider. We're right by the entrance here, one of the huge big sponsors for the event. Tell us a little bit about what you do and what your role is.
Yeah, I'm Sabari Sawant. I work as a product marketing manager for Kubernetes at AWS. And it's like Amazon always says, it's always day one. So
I love
learning. We work a lot with community. We work with a lot of customers. We work with a lot of partners. So a lot of stuff going on around. Excited to be at KubeCon. This is my third one.
Your third one?
So yes, leading the third one for AWS.
Experience now, right?
Yes, almost.
So it's 2025, AWS, huge player in the AI space. We're at a Kubernetes show. Tell me a little bit about AWS, AI, Kubernetes coming together.
Yeah, of course, it's 2025. It's about...
We've gone like 2 minutes, so we're not mentioned
yes,
AI, right?
Yeah, so AML workloads are not new to Kubernetes. At AWS, we've always seen these workloads, whether it be model training, whether it be inference. And I think Kubernetes is a perfect primary platform given, how highly scalable it is. It's highly performant. And the best part is it has this whole massive upstream community contributing, innovating day in and day out. And
we're seeing it both at the layers within the Linux, the Kubernetes layer, and then we're seeing it obviously at the workload layer. What are you seeing as some of those kind of deployment challenges?
I think primarily there are many challenges, but primarily, if you are, if it's a company running these AI workloads, managing cost efficiencies is a very big challenge. And apart from that, it's the usual cluster operation challenges, right? Like this patching, upgrades, security with a lot of these data specific workloads. It's scale, like you said. So these are like some of the complexities of managing GPU-based instances.
And those GPUs are just so expensive, right? You got to optimize and tune and drive the cost out because these GPUs are just so expensive.
Yeah, and actually, literally, we launched Amazon EKS Auto Mode back in 2024.
Great segue.
Reinvent, and it is exactly meant to take away all these undifferentiated heavy lifting for customers. You don't have to manage all these GPU workloads, do the upgrades, do the scaling, patching. We take care of everything. It's like production ready in one click, so you can literally run with your product to the market. So
that's huge, that being able to deploy and get workloads up and ready on a GPU at speed. You don't want these expensive assets sitting there. So we're at KubeCon. You guys are AWS. You're always making announcements. What are some of the big things that people should be thinking about?
I think one of the things that at AWS, one of the things we are looking into is always simplifying Kubernetes operations. Everything that we do is to ensure that we are simplifying how people work with Kubernetes going forward. So you will see a lot of announcements at reInvent 2025.
So only a couple of weeks away.
Yes, just 2 weeks away. And then yesterday we actually launched a solution, AWS backups on EKS. So but cool announcements coming forward.
Lots to dig into. So if you were to summarize AWS, Kubernetes, AI in kind of 3 words, 3 simple sentences, what would they be?
It would be Kubernetes AI workloads run best on AWS.
Oh, see your polish. You nailed it. Well, you've been watching us here on the Hyperframe podcast. We've done a great job of unpacking what AWS is doing in the Kubernetes space. So check back for more. Click, subscribe, and do all those things. Share with a friend, and we'll see you next time. Thank you very much for watching.
Thank you.